Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. So this is going to be about for people who want to make their own custom minifigure like a 3D model, and later you can print this image into a proper model. So come over to the Gemini's website, like the chat page, and instead of writing a long prompt for the custom image, you can already select a preset made by Gemini itself. So I just clicked on it, and here it made a prompt setting for our custom minifigure. So it's saying please upload an image so I can create the figurine, like the model. So here I upload the image, and here is the image for reference or the Let's see how much time it takes to create the picture for us. Oh, it's pretty fast. Generating image. Wow, it's pretty good. It made a good 3D model, even with the same facial expressions which I have in this image. It is pretty cool. You can also customize this image which is created by Gemini. So for example, I'll just say to change the outfit which I'm wearing in this model. So let's see, change the outfit from the to a galaxy color vibe, and also change the background a bit. Wow, this is pretty amazing. It changed the outfit, and it also changed the background a bit. As you can see, there is a banner in this image which was not present in the previous one. I'll also say to also change and create the packaging box with the box. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is how you can change the image as per your preferences and create your own 3D minifigure using Gemini. So yeah, this is how it works. You can change it how many times you want as per your preference, and it will keep updating the figuring as per your preferences. So So yeah, thanks for watching this video. I hope you all liked it. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel for further videos and AI tips and tricks like this. Thank you.